Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you whether Notion AI is actually safe to use in 2026, and what you should know before trusting it with your work and personal data. There are so many AI tools available today, and almost every productivity app seems to have some kind of AI feature built in. One of the most popular among them is Notion AI. In this video, I'll explain whether Notion AI is actually safe to use in 2026, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your work or not. Notion AI in 2026 is generally considered safe to use, especially for everyday productivity tasks like note-taking, project management, content writing, and organizing information. Notion is a well-established company that uses strong security measures such as data encryption both in transit and at rest, which means your data is protected while it is being sent over the internet and while it is stored on their servers. One of the most important points about Notion AI is that, by default, your data is not used to train AI models. This means your workspace content is not being used to improve public AI systems. The AI only accesses the information you already have permission to view within your workspace, so the risk of unauthorized access is very low. However, it is important to understand that Notion AI processes data through third-party AI providers like OpenAI or Anthropic. While this data is encrypted and handled under strict agreements, it still goes through cloud-based systems. Because of this, it is not recommended to store highly sensitive information such as passwords, banking details, or confidential legal documents inside Notion AI. Most real-world risks are not caused by Notion AI itself, but by user-related issues such as weak passwords, incorrect sharing settings, or phishing attacks. If you properly secure your account and avoid storing extremely sensitive data, Notion AI remains a safe and reliable tool. Overall, the conclusion is simple. Notion AI is safe for everyday productivity use in 2026, but it is not ideal for storing highly confidential or ultra-sensitive information. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.